It's very nice, and
There is like vast landscape around. With the scariest part is like you get to see like a cave like.
Hey, don't give the
inside.
spoilers, na. You have to go through everything.
And you have to experience, and it is actually scary, I'm telling you. But
ఇడిగా వెళ్తే నీకు దెబ్బలు తగులుతాయి. ఓకేనా?
not scary but thrilling, and
రాజీవ్ మజా ఆయేగా అవి.
lot of greenery.
I love that the most. That part is the most beautiful part of this track.
It's little stinking, guys. That is for sure. You know some.
I don't know, some guys said it's thrilling, but a girl like me, I felt a bit scary in the beginning. It's worth coming here. Most scenic view.
As I told already, the trek is. She's actually scared. But yeah. So you should learn everything, right? Isn't it fun, guys?
Come this side.
So everything's what? She's literally scared, guys. But
Durga. First we went to Savandurga, we reached there and we got this. Hi. It's in and around Ramanagara district. Isn't it? Okay. You can
actually we planned for Savandurga trek, but unfortunately it was closed. After a lot of let's
walking and
whatever may be the difficulty, will you complete the trek or not?
this will complete. I don't have any other option.
So you
My
don't.
husband will not have any other option.
So you don't have any other option. That's why you'll complete the trek.
Yeah, I'll do it. Maybe I'll give you a review after, coming in.
It's the chirping of that sound. It's the chirping of some insects, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, chirping of the insects. Do you ever think cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, you can find this kind of greenery inside the city? Never, right?
Not inside the
It's such a greenery, right?
We have a lot of good trekking places around Bangalore.
See, even in the reviews I have heard that Kunagalu trek is actually peaceful and very less crowded and scenic. These are the things what I heard. Some 200% ఒక ట్రెక్ నిర్ణయించుకున్నానంటే కంప్లీట్ చేయాలని ఎంత డిఫికల్టీ అయినా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తా. జస్ట్ విజిట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. It's literally very less crowded, very peaceful, and I would say you should must visit this place. So this is our new guest.
Hello guys.
So this is Rajiv. So he is my wife's colleague. We troubled him today.
No, not trouble.
We woke him up at almost 4:30 or 5 o'clock, and then you have like-minded people. It's actually encouraging. Even if the trek is challenging, we should have people like Rajiv support us in such trekking, who will motivate us.
Good photos.
Yeah.
Just click my good photos.
Yeah, definitely will click good
I can
photos.
go anywhere.
We should have us in such trekking, who will Actually, I had this idea to bring my car. I like this trail. It's fun to bring, all-terrain car, all-wheel drive car, such kind of cars here. Teji, you want to say something? Exactly. Say something about the nature, na? How it is.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it basically. That's why I have no words.
You have no words because you're tired. You should have trust in your teammates first. That's the first rule of trekking.
Okay, you can go forward.
So just look at that scenic view, guys.
Oh my god, this is so good.
So good, right? This camera is capturing it, but it's literally nice.
Like lost, right? Unfortunately, so we have again searched for nearby treks in Ramanagara and we found this Kungalbetta, and this is most reviewed place basically. So I mean, after Savandurga, this is the second most reviewed place. And there's some insect over.
Yes. Come fast. Zoom कर सकते हो इसको?
आए हैं इधर पास में लाएंगे तो होगा. क्या इंसेक्ट है ये?
I don't know. जंगल्स में तो कैसे बहुत सारे हैं.
There is this insect. See, trek is like, what happened? हैं?
जंपिंग एक्चुअली
यार ये सब तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा
तेज रहा है।
सांप गिराएगा तो फिर तो आप लोग नहीं जा पाएंगे।
अरे सांप में इनका हालत खराब हो जाएगा भैया।
సో దాట్స్ ద థింగ్ గైస్. తొండలు ఉంటాయి కదా, తొండలు, కెమేలియన్. సో అవి చూసి నేను ఆగాను, తర్వాత తేజు ఆగింది. ఫస్ట్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్ ఎట్ ద సీనిక్ వ్యూ. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇంత ట్రెక్ చేసాం కదా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ 20 minutes ఆఫ్ ట్రెక్ చేసాం మేము. ఈ 20 minutes ఆఫ్ ట్రెక్ చేశాక ఈ పైకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత వచ్చే సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్, ఇట్స్ ఎనార్మస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ వీ లుక్ ఫర్, రైట్? ట్రెక్లో మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటి? ట్రెక్లో మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటో తెలుసా? ఇట్స్ పీస్. అంత ట్రెక్ చేశాక ఆ వచ్చే పీస్ ఉంటుంది చూసారా, ఇట్స్ లైటర్. యువర్ సోల్ ఫీల్స్ లైటర్. సో దోస్ ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్స్, రైట్? సో పీస్ కోసమే నేను ఇంత చేస్తాను. ఆ పీస్ లేకపోతే నాకేం చేయబుద్ధి కాదు. ఇంకా ఒక్కసారి వ్యూ చూడండి, ఆ కోకోనట్ ట్రీస్, this green algae. So what is the use of this trekking, Teju?
trekking, it's refreshment. I mean, away from your the pollution metropolitan city, you can have this. I mean, test your physical stamina.
So for, in her version, she says that
It's physical stamina.
to improve the physical stamina, to know your limits.
Yeah, exactly.
And what do you say, Raju?
It's fun. It's fun. Chill tapak dum dum.
So that's the thing, guys. Okay, she's telling that there is some kind of a smell here. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Sometimes in nature you have to go through everything.
चलो जाओ तुम आगे चलो, क्या I'll make a video.
Yeah, so that's the thing, guys. So it's okay. Sometimes you have to go through some hurdles to get the piece right. So let's do it. It's okay. Still, it's fine.
For sure. I'm going to go inside this. For sure.
राजीव, मजा आएगा अभी.
Awesome. Really scary and
ఆరామ్ సే అలా స్పీడ్గా వెళ్తే నీకు దెబ్బలు తగులుతాయి. ఓకేనా? దట్స్ ఇట్, రైట్? ఇజంట్ ఇట్ ఫన్, గైస్? Teju, say hi. Look above. She's literally scared, guys. Where's the scenic view? I know it's late, actually. It's 11 o'clock right now. And Say hi.
Why you always put on my face? Thank you.
It's the most charming face, right?
Rapper then uncle.
I did.
Ah,
Okay, for what reason they put this little? I don't think it will stop anybody if even though they try to pause.
They are just.
They need to show to government that we did something. फंड कम ना, फंड आते हैं ना तो उन लोग बस लगा दिए इनके लिए, वो क्लेम कर दिए 2 लाख रुपया.
Literally, even the newspaper is just doesn't.
For this only they took 2 lakh
Oh my god.
minimum, and it's charged as around 1,000, 1,500.
Arre bada.
It's our right. We can.
Yeah,
we need to
exactly.
ask. We need to raise
We
our
are paying
voice.
this much tax.
We are paying. We are taxpayer. We need to
question.
raise our voice.
So please, guys, ask in the comment section. We'll take it forward.
So दिखाओ what it will help. ये किसको
हाँ.
बचाए, किसकी जान बचाए.
Okay guys, so see, the problem is ఏమంటున్నాడంటే ఈ ఫెన్సింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఏంటి యూస్? ఇట్స్ స్మాల్ ఫెన్సింగ్, రైట్? Whom it will help? What is the use of it?
Just for namesake.
Namesake and to take the
Just for
fund from the
namesake and
government.
getting funds from government.
Yeah,
There's
that's it.
nothing. No maintenance.
Nothing.
Just go on your own risk.
Correct. So again we started our trek. It's just few more steps. We have to reach the top.
Guys, seriously, till now he's joking. Okay, don't take it serious.
What was that? Okay, that's the thing, guys. Okay, wait. Now come.
Where to put my leg? Here.
Here.
No. I mean, if you do regular gym and some kind of walking, at least if you be physically active, it is still good. Okay. But the only point is you have to be mentally strong. Some points are a bit of scary. But yeah, finally I did it with the help of my husband. So he just wants that, waiting for it, literally. So I've given him what he wants. Always, as always.
So yeah, almost we reached, guys, and she's a bit scared, and it's okay to be scared because when you are not used to such treks, you'll feel a little scared. But start doing more physical activities, guys. See, when you'll know the limits of your body, okay, and when there is no disturbed. So that's the thing.
Hello! Finally reached!
No, not raised.
Yeah, it's almost same. Very nearby. But we have a shadow.
It's very nice, and some part is not scary but thrilling, and I love that the most. That part is the most beautiful part of this track, and this I'm around 20 or 50 meter track, which is inside the narrow path. That is awesome. You must come once and experience that 20-50 meter path. It's awesome.
Thanks, Raju. Okay, let's hear from my wife. She's always ready for
Hi,
this.
guys.
She'll do some dabba work now.
won't say
Okay, it's not dabba work.
Okay, so guys, what I would say is there is like vast landscape around with lot of greenery, and there are like very much rocky terrains like in and around this hill, right? And it is most scenic view we could ever see, like which is near to Bangalore. And interesting part and the scariest part is like you get to see like a cave like
Hey, don't give the spoilers, na.
and you have to
Acha.
experience, and it is actually scary, I'm telling you.
Not
But
scary, it's thrilling.
I don't know. Some guys say it's thrilling, but a girl like me, I felt a bit scary in the beginning. Worth coming here. I mean, so it's not too hard. I would say moderate level, and everybody can try this.
Today weather is good, that's the
Done?
Yeah, the weather is so good.
It was
Chalo,
lovely.
bye.
It was lovely when you speak. Yeah. So now we are getting down, guys. So as I told already, the trek is worth it. Treks, the getting down part is actually easy. It's less tiring, less stamina taking. The thing is, it's more risky. That's what people say. But I feel you should be a little careful when you step out. Yeah, right. When you step down, you should be a little careful. That's it. So I think that should be okay. You should keep a backup plan while you step also. The backup plan is you should try to hold with your hand something so that when you get down, if it slips, you will still be able to hold with your hand. So that's what I'm doing right now, you can see. Yeah. So if there is no railings,
Most of the treks should have some railings like this.
then it's not a trek. So yeah. So again we reached the same spot which we were before. Okay, now comes the actual good part. Okay, now we should get down. So you wanna go front or get down? So you wanna go front or should I go front? Hello, Miss Margarita.
They would.
You should take it in a sideways. If you take like this, you will slip for sure. So go like this. Each experience gives you a good learning, a new learning. You should experience careful when you step on, step down from the trek. You should be little careful. That's it. So you can see her how she's getting down, having a backup as hands grip. So that and yeah, we're almost down. Okay. So the cave part is done, guys. So we are down now. So this is what I was telling.
रील बनाएंगे अच्छा घर जाके
किसका?
वीडियो बनाएंगे
तूने बनाया था? I'll show you. Wait. Can you see now? So yeah. So this tree is inside the rock. It's built inside the rock. I don't know how it got.
It formed.
It formed like that.